Hi everyone, it's me Ina again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make short rib galbi with naan bread. Okay, so first thing we have to do is to marinate our short ribs. So we need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice wine, and then 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then we also need 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and then we also need a tablespoon of minced garlic, and we can add also 1/2 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, and of course 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And then just mix everything together, and then we're gonna marinate our short rib. So we just need at least 1.5 to 2 pounds of short ribs, and then add the meat into the mixture, the marinade mixture, and then just rub and massage on both sides of the meat. And then after that, we can place the marinated meat into Ziploc or any container you have, and keep the marinated meat into the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Okay, so preheat the grill into medium high and grill the meat for at least 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until slightly charred. So place the naan bread into the grill, and if you have a reserved marinade, brush your meat with the sauce on each side and transfer the meat into a serving plate and serve. Okay guys, so this is how I like to eat my galbi. I add some fresh avocado, and then sometimes I add some fresh cilantro and a drizzle of olive oil. Hope you like the video for today, and thanks for watching.